What's good everybody, it's your boy Sam and you're watching Semi Boy Sounds. Today I'm stoked to introduce you to something special, Chromatone V1. Now you probably have heard about Chroma by Xynth audio, right? Well, consider this its inspired cousin, but with a few extra tricks up its sleeve. Let me walk you through it. First off, you've got this Chromatone view. It boasts a similar interface to Chroma, featuring sliders for your dry and tune sections, the color knob plus the sweet keyboard visualizer. Here we have the key select view. You can pick your key, pair it with your favorite scale. You can even throw in your own chord with this MIDI button. But wait, there's more. In the settings section, that's where you got all these extra knobs to fine tune your sound. From the fine tune knob, an attack, a release to the format knob. So let's fire this baby up and let's see how it sounds, shall we? First off, we need a MIDI out to choose our root note. From C4 to B4 works the best, but you can experiment if you like. Make sure the port is set to 0. Now let's dive into some samples from some of my favorite producers and mine. Let's hear what they sound like on their own and then with Chromatone.
Let's go now. Let's go now.